Assalamualaikum. This is Farhana Afrin Bristi, working as a software quality assurance engineer at Mediusware Limited. In my role, I focus on ensuring consistency, reliability, and strong performance across the product we deliver. Automation testing has become a central part of maintaining those standards, and much of my work revolves around developing and improving that automation ecosystem. A strong automation framework is the foundation of this process. Building a structured and scalable framework brings clarity and efficiency to testing. And tools like Selenium and JUnit, I ensure that the system remains stable as projects grow and evolve. By integrating our workflows like Jenkins and GitLab CI, every code update is automatically validated. This keeps development cycle faster, more predictable, and aligned with quality goals from the very beginning. Customer test scripting is another important part of my work. Since each project has its own needs, I create tailored scripts in Java, Python, or JavaScript to ensure accurate coverage and dependable test results across different modules and features. To maintain a consistent user experience, cross-browser and cross-platform validation is also essential. Using browser stack, I verify that applications behave reliably across different browsers and environments, reducing risk caused by platform variations. Performance testing plays a key role as well. With JUnit, I evaluate how system responds under different loads and identify performance bottlenecks before they impact users or long-term scalability. And with the growing importance of mobile platform, I use APM to verify functionality and stability on both iOS and Androids. Together, these areas form a complete automation strategy that supports high quality, efficient, and reliable software delivery. Thank you for your time.